What's going on, fellers, fellettes, and whatever else you may call your thing? Over the past couple months, I've built this crazy, stupid thing, and I've made videos about it, so you should go watch them. Today, we're going to take it on the Suwannee River and mess around with a bunch of race boats. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully, the hull on this thing doesn't blow out and we sink. Let's get right to it. Alright, y'all, I built this thing with less than $1,000 and a lot of creativity. I call it the contraption. I got everything in trade with this Honda. It's only a 20 horsey, but this thing goes pretty good. Obviously not as good as a Hydrostream or something, but we're gonna get straight on the water and get this Honda 20 to work. All right, y'all, we made it to the ramp. Let's get this thing in the water and get on our way. Alright, y'all, let's get this party on the road. Okay. Why isn't it starting? Interesting. Here we go, though. Alright guys, we're at the same ramp as the last video, and the only thing that I've changed is I put a 4-blade 10-pitch prop on. So we're up one blade. Let's see how it does. Oh, and I moved the engine up to the middle trim hole. Let's see if it can resist the blowout. It just can't handle the middle trim hole. We gotta go back down. Keep it straight, honey. The 4-blade prop does get us on plane a little faster, though. Here comes a boat past us. deeper than we think it is. I don't think I can touch the bottom. I guess let's go south to the sandbar. Well, fellers and fellettes, we made it back from our fun time with the race boats being passed by everyone. But the boat didn't blow out on us. We did jump a couple wakes, which I didn't want to do because I'm scared of that thing blowing out. But it needs a little more horsey power. Runs good. It's real fun. It's like a little go-kart. But stay tuned for the next one. Please support the channel. You guys are the only people that I'm doing this for. And without your support, I can't do anything. So help a fella out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.